Now, from your weather authority, Chief Meteorologist Wayne Hart.
Well, another dreary Friday, but the weather, the closer we get to the weekend, is looking better and better with a gradual clearing trend and a warm-up that could very well take our high temperatures on Sunday a little bit above normal, and that would be a nice change of pace. But certainly cooler than normal this afternoon. Highs of only 50 to 55 with that rain coming down. 53 Evansville, 54 Henderson and Owensboro. And tomorrow will be about 5 degrees warmer. And even though this afternoon was chilly, our low temperature was above normal, so the average temperature for the day is going to come in around 4 degrees on the cool side, and that puts us in the ballpark of normal for only the 4th time this month. But as we head through the final days of October, we will be averaging a little closer to normal for a change. But problem with this month is that we wanted the normal weather back here in the early part of the month when it was so warm and then it got really cold. But at least we're trending back to more typical late October weather before November makes its appearance next week. Still a little bit of spotty light rain and drizzle out there on live first warning Doppler radar. We've got another batch coming in from the northwest, and this will be a little more prominent along and north of I-64, and that will be fading away by daybreak tomorrow morning. So if you have early morning plans, a garage sale, or just getting out around sunup, should be dry, overcast. Can't rule out a little misty rain here and there. And the rain today was heaviest in our northern counties, at least over the past 24 hours, but amounts across a good deal of the tri-state were under a ½ an inch. And despite the rain, the rivers are not really going to respond to this. They're in good shape. Here in Evansville, the Ohio beginning to level off around 16 feet. The Wabash is holding steady. The Green is just falling slowly, while the White and Little Wabash rivers are holding steady also. If you're heading down to the lakes, the season is winding down. The water temperature continues to fall down to 63 degrees. The level's also coming down. No surprise there. Above the dam at Kentucky, 354.7. Same for Barkley. And below the dam, even lower than yesterday at 305.7. Improving weather down at the lakes tomorrow. Gradual clearing and cool. High temperatures around 60. They'll clear out a little faster than we will up here in the tri-state. Our Heads Construction Tower camera looking down on the Highway 41 strip on the northeast side of Henderson. And here's I-69 and the Lloyd Expressway on the Evansville-Newburgh line, a view off of Deaconess Gateway Hospital. That's our Fence Pros Sky Cam, and the temperature is now down to 48, and that is our low so far today. We were maxed out at 100% relative humidity back at 6:30, but it's drying out a little bit now, but still pretty saturated air with the north-northwest wind at 8 miles per hour. Most of the area now upper 40s to around 50, and we'll just settle into the mid to upper 40s overnight, just a few degrees cooler than what it is right now. So the back edge of the clouds are still off to the west, approaching the Mississippi River, while along the east coast we have that nor'easter beginning to take shape off the coast of North Carolina and Virginia. It's going to get stronger. First one of the season, creating a lot of high surf, heavy rain, and strong winds as it moves up along the New England coastline during the day tomorrow. Not really impacting us other than the circulation kind of holding in some of this cloud cover through part of tomorrow. Then as that lifts away, the door will open up for a clipper to come in from the northwest. A pattern much more typical for winter versus fall. But it's not cold enough for snow, and all in all, we're going to see some improving weather here as we head through the weekend. So future tracker kind of fades in east, spotty rain away overnight, and then after a cloudy start tomorrow, we'll see some sun developing, not as chilly as today, but still cool, 58 to 60 for the high. We'll clear off for a while tomorrow night, then the clouds come in first thing Sunday morning with that clipper, but it's looking much weaker, much farther to the north, so after clouds roll in during the morning, we should see a clearing trend in the afternoon. It will be very windy, gusts of times over 30 miles per hour, but it will be much warmer with highs on Sunday afternoon in the mid to upper 60s. A weak cold front comes through late in the day, and that'll just drop the temperatures a notch for Monday. Otherwise, a very nice day, mostly sunny skies and highs in the low to mid 60s to start off the work week. But overnight, a little more spotty light rain, especially in our northern counties. Temperatures mid to upper 40s. Then we see some clearing for tomorrow, not as chilly as today, but cool, 58 to 60 for the high. Mix of sun and clouds on Sunday. More clouds in the morning, clearing out in the afternoon. A very windy, warmer 67. Mostly sunny, 64 on Monday. Increasing clouds Tuesday. A windy 69 with showers developing Tuesday night. Fairly confident, I should say, of this front coming through on Wednesday morning with a really good shot of rain. Much more uncertainty with the second wave that some of the models are advertising for Wednesday night, which of course is Halloween night. into Thursday morning. So we may be able to improve the forecast for the latter half of Wednesday into Thursday, but fairly confident that we're going to have some rain there Tuesday night into at least Wednesday morning. And after somewhat normal temperatures through a good deal of next week, that will drag down some colder air by next Friday. And by that point, we are into November.
Oh, already.
Yeah.
After skipping over October, at least
I was going to say, and fall for that matter.
Yeah, it seems that way.
Okay, thanks, Wayne.